Welcome, travel enthusiasts, to another adventure. Today we journey to the heart of Central Asia, exploring the majestic landscapes of Kyrgyzstan. Nestled amid the vast expanses of Eurasia, this country boasts some of the most stunning and unspoiled natural scenery on the planet. From rugged mountains that touch the clouds to serene lakes that mirror the sky, Kyrgyzstan is a paradise for those who seek the tranquility of nature and the thrill of the outdoors. Kyrgyzstan, often referred to as the Switzerland of Central Asia, offers a canvas of vibrant colors and dramatic landscapes. Its terrain is marked by vast steppes, towering peaks of the Tien range, and the crystal-clear waters of lakes like Issyk-Kul and Son-Kul. These natural wonders are not just a feast for the eyes but also provide a haven for a rich tapestry of wildlife and a playground for adventurers and explorers. Sit tight as we embark on a journey through the best scenic areas in Kyrgyzstan. Our first stop is Lake Issyk-Kul, a sparkling gem nestled between snow-capped mountains. Tucked away in the eastern part of Kyrgyzstan, Lake Issyk-Kul is a marvel of nature that captivates anyone who lays eyes on it. Known as the world's second-largest saline lake, its vast expanse of crystal-clear waters stretches out, creating a stunning contrast against the rugged peaks of the Tien Mountains that surround it. What makes Lake Issyk-Kul truly unique is its ability to remain unfrozen throughout the year, despite lying at an altitude of over 5,000 feet. This rare feature is due to its slight salinity and the mild microclimate around the lake. It's a year-round haven for travelers seeking both adventure and tranquility. Visitors to Lake Issyk-Kul are treated to a plethora of activities. Imagine yourself swimming in the refreshing, albeit slightly salty waters, or sailing across the lake with the wind gently guiding you along. For those who prefer staying on land, the surrounding areas offer scenic trails that beckon hikers and nature enthusiasts alike. These trails provide not only exercise but also panoramic views that are nothing short of breathtaking. The lake is not just a natural wonder but also a cultural treasure trove. The shores of Issyk-Kul have seen countless historical events, from ancient Silk Road caravans passing by to secret Soviet testing sites. Today, it's a peaceful retreat where the past and present coexist harmoniously. Local cuisine here is as diverse as its landscape. After a day filled with activities, indulge in some fresh grilled fish from the lake or sample traditional Kyrgyz dishes that have been influenced by the many cultures that have thrived along these waters. As the sun sets over Issyk-Kul, the lake reflects the fiery skies, creating a serene atmosphere that encapsulates the day's end. It's moments like these that make a visit to this lake unforgettable. A visit to Lake Issyk-Kul offers a serene escape into nature's grandeur. Next, we ascend to the celestial Tien Mountains, a paradise for mountaineers. Rising majestically above Central Asia, the Tien or Mountains of Heaven, stretch across several countries, with a significant portion gracing the rugged landscapes of Kyrgyzstan. This mountain range is not only a feast for the eyes but also a hotspot of natural diversity, recognized globally for its ecological significance. The Tien Mountains are a UNESCO World Heritage Site, celebrated for their rich biodiversity. These mountains are home to a plethora of species that are as diverse as the landscape itself. From snow leopards, stealthy and magnificent, to the wild mountain sheep known as argali, the fauna here is as unique as it is captivating. For those drawn to the allure of the high altitudes, the Tien offers some of the most exhilarating trekking paths in the world. Trails wind through lush valleys, open up to vast alpine meadows, and climb to dizzying heights where the air is crisp and the views are breathtaking. Each step on these trails promises a new perspective, a fresh vista that paints a picture of nature's grandeur. And let's not forget the glaciers. The Tien Shan's glaciers are a realm of perpetual snow and ice, sculpting the landscape, feeding the rivers below, and challenging those who dare to explore their frozen expanses. These icy giants are crucial, not just as a spectacle of natural beauty, but as vital sources of water for the regions below. Adventurers and nature lovers alike find themselves drawn to these peaks, seeking the solitude and the thrill that comes from being surrounded by such stark, imposing beauty. Whether it's the call of the wild, the challenge of the climb, or the simple joy of witnessing nature in its most splendid form, the Tien Mountains cater to all. The Tien Mountains offer a sky-high adventure that's simply unparalleled. We now journey to the pristine Son-Kul Lake, a tranquil oasis high in the mountains. Nestled at an altitude of over 9,000 feet, this alpine lake in the central Tien Shan range remains relatively untouched by the hustle of modern life, making it a perfect snapshot of serene natural beauty and traditional lifestyles. The journey to Son-Kul Lake is itself an adventure. Winding roads traverse rugged landscapes with each turn offering panoramic views that stretch to the horizon. The lake's remote location preserves its quietude and the traditional way of life of the nomadic shepherds who graze their livestock on the rich, fertile pastures around the water's edge during the warmer months. For those who seek not just to see but to experience, staying in a yurt by the lakeside is a must. These traditional portable homes made of felt and tarpaulins are both cozy and emblematic of Kyrgyz nomadic culture. Within the circular embrace of a yurt, one finds the heart of Kyrgyz hospitality, warm, welcoming, and utterly genuine. Imagine waking up to the soft sound of sheep and horses grazing nearby, with the first rays of the sun casting a golden glow over the vast, tranquil waters of Son-Kul. Days here can be spent horseback riding, hiking in the surrounding hills, or simply sitting by the lake, letting the peace of the place soak into your bones. As the sun sets, casting fiery hues across the lake, the local shepherds often gather, sharing stories and songs that have echoed through the valleys for generations. This cultural exchange is priceless, offering insights not only into the history of the Kyrgyz people but into the enduring rhythms of nomadic life. Son-Kul Lake offers an immersive cultural experience, wrapped in the splendor of nature's beauty. Finally, we scale the sacred Sulayman Mountain, a site of pilgrimage with panoramic city views. Rising dramatically from the heart of Osh, Kyrgyzstan's second-largest city, Sulayman Mountain is not just a natural wonder, but a nexus of history and spirituality. Known to the locals as Issyk-Kul, or Solomon's Throne, this craggy hill has been a beacon of spiritual significance for centuries. Legend has it that the biblical King Solomon once prayed here, and since then it has drawn countless pilgrims from across Central Asia. The mountain's religious importance is intricately tied to its historical narrative. Since ancient times, it has served as a waypoint for travelers and traders on the Silk Road, bearing witness to a myriad of cultures and traditions that passed this way. Its slopes whisper tales of the past, where each stone and path might tell a story of devotion and ancient commerce. In 2009, Sulayman Mountain was rightfully inscribed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized not only for its spiritual and historical significance, but also for its unique natural formation. This designation has helped preserve its integrity and promote the importance of this site to a global audience. Nestled within the mountain is a fascinating museum, the Sulayman Mountain Museum, which is uniquely built inside a natural cave. This museum houses an array of artifacts that paint a vivid picture of the region's rich cultural tapestry and archaeological history. It's a treasure trove for those eager to dive deep into the lore of the Silk Road and the myriad cultures that have thrived in this region. As you ascend the rugged paths that coil around the mountain, each turn offers a new vista of Osh City sprawling below. The panoramic views from the summit are breathtaking. Rolling hills give way to urban landscapes, intertwined with the vibrant life of the city. It's a view that not only captivates the eyes but also soothes the soul, highlighting the harmonious blend of nature and human habitation. Sulayman Mountain provides a captivating blend of history, spirituality, and natural beauty. And that concludes our scenic tour of Kyrgyzstan, a land of unparalleled beauty and rich cultural heritage. From the serene shores of Lake Issyk-Kul, where the water mirrors the vast sky, to the majestic Tien Shan Mountains, which stand as sentinels over the land, each location we visited today holds a story steeped in natural wonder. We wandered around Son-Kul Lake, embraced by rolling hills and vibrant meadows, a true nomadic paradise. Then, we climbed the historic slopes of Sulayman Mountain, a place that has been a beacon of spiritual and cultural significance for centuries. Each of these places offers not just breathtaking views, but also a chance to connect with the heart and soul of Kyrgyzstan. The landscapes we've explored today are as diverse as they are stunning, inviting all who visit to immerse themselves in their tranquil beauty. What scenic beauty would you like to explore next? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and remember, your likes and subscribes help us bring more of the world to your screen. Until our next adventure, stay curious and keep exploring.